Hello, this is Aaron, and today in this video I'm unboxing the J2 Dash. They also have the J2 Shine on AT&T Prepaid. So this is the same thing as the J2, sorry about my tripod shaking, J2 Pure and Cricket. So AT&T Prepaid, no annual contract. Here's the back of the phone, there's the other side. So open it up, you can see all the specs, Android Oreo, 16 gigs of storage. You got a 512, 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel front, 2,600 milliamp hour battery, and Samsung Health. So let's peel this open. Got this piece, open this. I like how they move from plastic to a foam, but they still have a little plastic. So here's the device. So let's pop it out of the carton. Cardboard. Got a little bit of plastic. Look at this beauty. Got a little sticker on the front of it. Peel this off. They also have the J2 Shine. I might have already said that, but it's in a golden color, but this is a nice jet black color, very shiny. We get included micro USB cable, paperwork. We get a removable battery, USB. It's a micro USB, and a Samsung power brick. It's not no fast charger, it's just standard 5-volt. So here's the removable battery. In order to use the phone, this is not a spare battery, it's just the main battery, but it's the same as the Galaxy J3. So gotta find a removable back. You do get plastic surrounded the phone. This is 16 gigabytes of storage. Let's pop in the battery. Let's turn this on. Sorry if you're talking in the background, but yeah, it's a nice shiny plastic. You get the satisfying plastic to peel off. And you're an airplane trying to interrupt this video. It's matte on top but glossy on the back. It does appear to be dead. Oh wait, no it's not. So we got Samsung Galaxy, protected by Knox. This has 2 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigs of storage, Android Oreo, 8.1 to be specific. I do not know if it's a Go edition. I'm pretty sure it is the Go edition. This does not have a home button. It has a Samsung nav bar. I heard rumor this might get Android Pie, but hasn't been confirmed. I like the design of it, the glossy plastic. Speakers on the back, but the J3 to have it on the side, which kind of a downgrade, but for me, I don't mind. So I'll cut back when the setup's done. I turned up the brightness all the way for this video. I'm gonna see if it has outdoor mode. Yep, outdoor mode. So yeah, here's the phone. Let's go to about phone. Like I said, Samsung navigation bar. Full screen. See if we can change the color of the navigation bar. You can rearrange the buttons. Yeah, it's pretty neat. Let's go to about phone, software information, Android 8.1, Samsung Experience 9.5, like Galaxy S9 software essentially. This phone has a 540p screen. Yeah, it's not the highest resolution, but it's pretty good. Samsung Health. Overall, this is a very good phone. I like the Samsung navigation bar without the physical home button. You do get some pre-installed junk, like a couple games here and there, and some AT&T software. And something that doesn't make sense is the Galaxy App Store. They have it if the One UI redesign. This may get Android Pie in the future, but for now, it does not. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next video. Goodbye. Wait, hold on. I gotta show you the wallpapers. Here are the pre-installed wallpapers. This device supports Samsung themes too. Does it? No, it don't. Don't have themes. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next video. Goodbye.